Good afternoon, this is Elliot here at DOS Trucks with another one of our walk around videos. Make sure to like and subscribe to our channel to stay up to date on all of our available inventory. Our website and phone number are down in the description. Today we got a 2019 Ford E-350 Super Duty, the 16-foot box and a ramp. Got some nice Bridgestone tires on here. A lot of tread left on these. Nice Bridgestone tires on the rear as well. This is a dual rear wheel. Both with a lot of tread left on them as well. This truck has a hitch on the back, pull-out ramp. Box is in pretty solid condition. Transparent roof. The box has been repainted along with the wheels. Go ahead and take a look in the cab. Now this truck, like all of our vehicles, has been thoroughly detailed inside and out. Seats are in great condition. No rips or tears. Go ahead and start this thing up. As you can see, this vehicle has 85,164 miles. Let's go ahead and take a look under the hood. This Ford is powered by a Triton 6.8 liter V10 engine with a 6-speed shiftable automatic transmission. Filters and fluids have all been changed, and it's been detailed under the hood as well. This truck is looking and running great, ready to get to work. And there you have it, a 2019 Ford E-350 Super Duty with a 16-foot box, a 6.8 liter V10 engine, 6-speed shiftable automatic, dual rear wheel. This truck is in great condition. Make sure to like and subscribe to our channel, and thank you for watching.